Let's learn how to Sudoku.
So we will be looking at this one here, and I find the easiest way to start is by first looking at what numbers are going to be most prevalent, and then we're going to be doing it in groups of threes. So first, we're going to look at what number is seeming like it's going to be the most prevalent. So for these ones, I'm going to look at the twos. I'm going to start with the twos. So for Sudoku, you have the 9 quadrants, 9 quadrants with 9 rows across and 9 numbers that you have to represent. So let's start with the 2, because the 2 looks like it would be the most prevalent here. So we're going to go in rows of 3 like this, and then we're also going to go in rows of 3 like this. So I will start in this bottom section here, and I'll look and I'll say that I have 1, 2, and 3 2. So I have 1, 2, 3. These 2s are all taken care of. And now we can look at what we see next is going up. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So this one has a 2, this one has a 2. This row needs a 2. But these box and this box already have their 2. So this is my box that needs a 2. And we know that it can't be this row and it can't be this row. So it has to be this row. I only have this square available. So this square has to be my 2. And now we can do that for the rest of the grid. So I have my 2, my 2, my 2, and then I can go sideways, so now I have a bit more information here. This row has 2, this row has 2, this row needs a 2, but it has to be in my middle box here. So this one here has to be 2. And now we can go vertically. So we have 2, we have 2, we know this row needs the 2, and we know it has to be in the top box again, because we have 2 and we have 2. So this, if it's going to be this row's taken care of, this row's taken care of, this row has to be my 2. And now we can go this way for the top again. So we have 2 on this row, we have 2 in this row, and we need a 2 here, and it has to be in this lower box. Now here's where things get tricky, because it can be either of these spots, but we know we have a 2 in this row already, so it can't be there. It has to be here.
Hopefully that helps you solve some Sudoku. Bye.